Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, June 14th. Hello, volatility. Volatility spiked yesterday. The markets did move lower, but lost most of their ground in that last hour of trading. Down 0.75% across the board, so not a big price movement in the stock indexes to the downside, considering the 20% push in the VIX. The S&P lost 17 points yesterday, the Dow was off 135, and the Nasdaq down 39. But let's remember that the Dow was positive last week and the S&P was unchanged on a weekly basis, so this has just been a couple of days of increased anxiety. The dollar index was down 20, holding above 94. The euro currency 113.32, up 34. Treasuries continue to move higher on that flight to quality. Crude oil was steady yesterday, only had a dollar range from 49.30 to 48.15. We had a key reversal last week where it made new highs and closed lower. The finish yesterday was 48.90, down a whopping 20 cents, but still below that $50 a barrel level. The mover of the day was gold, up $11 at $12.87, a 1% positive move, pushing on that $1,300 an ounce level and hitting multi-week highs. So, after the increased volatility yesterday, where do the markets stand here on this Tuesday morning? Ahead of Fed meeting, two-day Fed meeting, the announcement tomorrow will be the dot plot, what forecasters are looking for as far as interest rates go into the future. This morning we're off a little bit, about 3% lower right now, down 6 points in the S&P, down 45 in the Dow futures, and down 15 in the Nasdaq. But let's remember, we were pushing on the all-time forever highs in the S&P just last week and had a failure to close above that 2120 level. The dollar index right now is getting a bit more firm. The euro currency down 70 right now, below that 113 level. We're seeing treasuries continue to move higher, new highs there in the 30-year, and the yield on the 10-year note is now approaching that 1.5% bottom base. Well, the recent low over the last few years is 1.39%, but let's just say we've been trading between 1.5% and 2% for most of the last couple of years. Crude oil is steady, down 60 cents at 48.25, a 1% move to the downside. And gold is up $2 right now at $12.89. Again, $12.90 was yesterday's high, $1,300 up above. So to wrap up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, not a whole lot of fundamental news in stocks here this morning. The focus is on the Fed and focus is on the Brexit. We're down 6 in the S&P, down 45 in the Dow futures, and down 15 in the Nasdaq 100. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.